Welcome to the real estate page. In this video, we're going to walk through adding a primary residence. Begin, click on primary. On the page, you can then enter the value of your primary residence, how you think it's going to grow year over year throughout the analysis, and if you have a remaining mortgage balance, enter the balance, your current monthly payments, and the mortgage interest rate. If you already plan to make lump sum payments on top of your regular mortgage or would like to simulate paying off the mortgage a little earlier, you can select yes to lump sum payments and manually click the year that you'd like to make an extra payment. Finally, input what you'd like to do with your primary residence. If you never plan to sell it, simply select no. If you do plan to upsize or downsize in the future, select yes, select the year that you plan to sell your primary residence, and then indicate what the future plans are, whether you're going to be purchasing a new home, renting, or other. If you will be upsizing or downsizing, simply select Purchase New Home and input the details. You can simulate purchasing and selling a new home up to 5 times in Optiml. If you'd like to simulate selling your primary residence and renting, select Rent, input the estimated monthly payments, and we'll automatically calculate what that payment will look like based on inflation in the year that you're selling your home. Whether you're purchasing a new home, renting, or selecting other, once all required fields are completed, select Next or Save to